Shermac draws on years of experience to create unique, flexible, customised solutions for our customers in the mining, civil and commercial sectors. We are customer and solutions focused. Shermac understands this is a significant purchase. You want value. You want something that lasts. Shermac's meticulous engineering, product selection and manufacturing ensure optimum productivity and predictable lifetime cost of ownership. In fact, the lower lifetime cost of ownership reduces your costs and improves your margins. With Shermac's service and support vehicles, safety is one of our top concerns. Employees deal with Australia's extreme weather and terrain conditions, and Shermac vehicles are innovative solutions. Safety is engineered in, hazards engineered out. Every product reflects our industry experience, making us the lowest risk supplier of specialised support and service vehicles in Australia. You get the right equipment for the job that you have to do in the environment where you have to do it. Shermac ensures customisation is an uncomplicated process. We help our customers every step of the way. Each vehicle we build is customised to ensure it meets your exact requirements. It doesn't stop there. Our support and after-sales service is what you'd expect from Shermac, an industry leader. As an Australian-owned and operated business, we design, manufacture, supply and support a wide range of innovative, specialised support vehicles, including service trucks, service trailers, diesel trailers, water carts, crane trucks, tilt trays, plant trailers, drill support vehicles, mobile workshops and boilermakers vehicles. Trust Shermac to provide the solutions that help your business thrive in a competitive marketplace.